Hey guys, welcome back to another video of Generation Old School. On today's episode, I want to show you guys a 1965 Chevy C10. This car has been fully restored by the current owner. It was not in these conditions when he purchased it. As you guys may know, back in 1965, this type of trucks were offered in different styles: short bed, long bed, step side, fleet side. And also you had two type of engines that you could order: a V8 or a 6-in-line. You also had 3 types of transmission. You had an automatic power glide, and also you had a 3-speed and a 4-speed manual transmission. Currently, this car, like I mentioned, has been totally restored with a mild custom look. As you can see, has been lowered. It also has a more modern 350 5.7 liter engine paired to an automatic 700 R4 transmission, which is a 4-speed automatic transmission with overdrive. These trucks are beautiful from all of the eras, from the 50s, and then this second generation of Chevy trucks, which is the C10 from the 1960s to 1966. Over here you have your door handles, and right behind it you have the gas cap. And inside we step into that beautiful interior. Totally redesigned, more modern, more comfortable. Your long bench seat, door panels. You have a speaker on the door. This car has an AM and FM radio, an adjustable column steering wheel, and also a more modern dash accessory. Over here you have your volts, oil pressure, speedometer, RPMs, water temperature, and the fuel temperature. What a beautiful car. If there's anybody watching this video that could be interested in buying it, the owner is asking $38,000 or best offer. You could call him at the number that I'm going to put on the screen. His name is Celestino, and this truck is located in Miami, Florida. As you can see, the engine that this car has is a 350, like I mentioned, and it came out of a 1968 Chevy Camaro. But the engine has been totally rebuilt, totally overhauled with a new carburetor, new valve cover gasket, chrome alternator, a bigger radiator. This car has disc brakes all around, master cylinder with a dual pump, coolant reservoir. Take a look at the engine compartment. They did an amazing job. When they built this car, they built it with the idea of keeping it for many years, but due to personal reasons, the current owner has decided to sell it. The good thing about having these old cars is that your money is always going to be there. It's going to be a secure investment. So whenever you decide to sell it, you're always going to get your money back. So if there's anybody interested in making an investment in these tough times, trust me, a classic car is one of the best investments that anybody can make. You buy it now, and 10 years later, you can ask for the same amount of money that you paid, or even a little bit more. It's like buying gold. I want you to see the rims that the car has. Black with the white wall tires and the chrome beauty ring. The roof is also black, matching with the rims. And obviously all of the windows roll up and down. This car is not equipped with air conditioning. However, if there's anybody that would like to add air conditioning to it, the outlets are already installed. It's a beautiful car. We're gonna take it for a drive. That way you guys can see how good this car drives. If you enjoyed this video and you like classic cars and classic trucks from the 1950s and 60s, I would like to extend you an invitation to subscribe to the channel. It's totally free. Just click the button that says subscribe and become part of the Generation Old School family. All right, guys, so now we're gonna go for a test drive. That way you guys get an idea of how the car drives. It drives like a freaking Porsche, to be honest with you. Disc brakes all around, automatic transmission, powerful V8 engine, 5.7 liter. Brand new exhaust system. It doesn't have any exhaust leak or anything like that. Transmission shifts smooth. And it doesn't pull to the left nor to the right. Let me tell you, one of the best trucks that I have ever driven. Everything works in the dash, speedometer, oil pressure. Right now the temperature is at 170 and we have been stopped for a while. So I'm pretty sure that once we start driving it's gonna go back up to 180. It doesn't have any overheating problems, anything like that. Horn works. Wow, beautiful. If I had the money, I would buy this truck. I wouldn't miss the opportunity and let anybody else buy it. I will keep it for myself. (1965) Chevy C10. All right, guys, hope you enjoyed this video. Don't forget to give the video a like, subscribe to the channel, and call my friend Celestino. The number is going to show up on the screen. And if you buy it and you need help with transportation and shipping, it's not part of my business, but I will do it to help my friend Celestino sell the car and to help you guys buying the car to have the truck transport to another state. Let me know in the comments below from what state you are watching this video. And don't forget to give this video a like, subscribe to the channel, and leave a comment. What do you think about the truck restoration that was done to it? Thank you for watching and God bless you all.